the mission, should you choose to accept it, to watch me open box number 2 of 2019 Topps Chrome Baseball. I know, it's not that hard of a challenge. You can do it. It is a full box though, so it will take a little bit longer than usual. But since I've already ran my mouth in the first video talking about it, I won't have to do that again. So this will actually be a shorter video. And truthfully, just for future reference, if ever I'm breaking 2 boxes of something, the second video is probably going to be the shorter, faster of the 2. So if you ever get sick of listening to me blab and I've opened 2 boxes, I would recommend that you go straight to video number 2. Actually, I would appreciate it if you watch both videos. Not that it matters. I don't have ads or anything like that. But just for the heck of it, I guess. Just because. Actually, it's hot as crap in here. I gotta get my fan rolling. Oh. It's actually amazing how hot these lights get. You wouldn't think they'd get quite so hot, but they do. Alright, there are 24 packs. I was really pleasantly surprised with the first box. I thought there was more stuff in there, more inserts and parallels and stuff than I thought there was going to be. Matter of fact, I feel like last year's product was pretty boring, but there's a lot going on this time. So I was really, really pleased about that. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. Simmons, starting off with a Soto 84 reprint refractor. And then a Freddie Freeman purple refractor, numbered out of 299. Nice. And Kershaw, off to a good start again. And I ended up with 3 hits out of the first box instead of just 2. So that was another bonus. Guzman, Ponce de Leon, Urias rookie 84. Irina. I did not get a Vlad Jr. rookie or Alonso rookie out of that box. So I'm hoping for one or both of those out of this one. That would be nice. Altuve, Arenado, Ohtani, 84 refractor, DeGrom. Even if it's just the base rookie, it'd be nice for either of those. Brinson, Merrifield, Syndergaard reprint refractor, and DJ Stewart rookie. Martinez, Robinson Cano refractor, Tim Anderson, and Trevor Story. DeYoung, Chris Bryant refractor, that's nice. Chance Adams rookie, and Hunter Renfroe. Trey Turner, a Kevin Kramer rookie refractor. Dakota Hudson rookie, and Marcus Stroman. Jose Abreu, Kyle Hendricks, a Josh James, that is a base rookie autograph, on card, but they're all on card, I do believe. So just a plain auto there. So hopefully the next one will be a parallel of some sort, at least, you know, a regular refractor. Sanchez, a Greatness Returns, Derek Jeter, and Aaron Judge. That's a nice card. I got one of these in the first box, a different pair of players, but these look really good. That's a really nice combo too. Franco and Laureano. Mullins rookie, Syndergaard. Future Stars, Carson Kelly, and Scherzer. Kyle Wright rookie. Tatis Jr. rookie. Nice. Rowdy freshman flash. And Jake Cave rookie. Santana Duggar rookie. Another freshman flash Urias. And Suarez. Chris Sale, Josh Rogers rookie, a DJ Stewart rookie refractor, and Peralta. Rolling right along. Still looking for that other autograph, and maybe we'll get another bonus hit. We'll see. Blackman, Aguilar. Ooh, a Touki Toussaint. My friend Touki. Blue. Numbered out of 150. It's got a little dust on it. Hang on, let me clean it up real quick. It's nice thick stock, so that's good. Yeah, that's a sweet looking card. Nice. Alright, that's 2 autographs. If we get anything else, it's just going to be a bonus. Chris Bryant. But we did get a bonus game used card, which caused me much confusion in box 1. Crawford, Chance Adams, rookie refractor, Blake Snell, Josh Hader. Longoria, Acuna Future Stars, a Walker Buehler green shimmer. That is numbered out of 99. That is a nice looking parallel. Sweet. Perez. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It seems like there's just extra stuff in here this year. I mean, maybe I'm crazy, but I remember distinctly opening these boxes last year and being like, wah wah. There's Aaron Judge, Brian Anderson refractor, Givens and Cozart. Goldie, Lugo rookie, a Will Myers Prism, and Christian Yelich. Myers, Future Stars, Cousins, green, Hosmer. Justice Sheffield rookie, Salvador Perez refractor, Kevin Kramer rookie, and Brian Anderson. Still no Vlad Jr. rookie, no Alonso rookie. Birdie, Lugo rookie Prism, Alcantara, and Touki Toussaint. Corey Seager, Cabrera, Hunter Renfroe refractor, and Michael Kopech rookie. Last 2, looks like 2 packs. Astudillo, Goldschmidt Prism, Trevor Bauer, and Robinson Cano. Yep, last pack. Of course, I wouldn't want those rookies to be too easy to get. If they were too easy to get, they wouldn't have much value. Aaron Judge Prism. Somebody will be happy to have that. Giolito and Urias rookie. That's it. These were fun boxes to open. I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to having the blaster boxes and seeing those will have exclusive sepia refractors in there. I think 4 per box, so that'll be fun. I haven't seen any packs to order yet. Like, I don't know if there's going to be like any value packs with multiple packs, but I'll start looking around and see what I can find there. And if there is such a thing, I'll order it, and I might even get off my lazy bohunkus and go to the local Target or Walmart and see if they have anything like that in stock, because I would like to cover all the bases with a product like this that's so mainstream that people like so much. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. Hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll see you all again soon.